Okay, this is our room 233. Just as you come in, over here to the left, you got the hangers, got iron hair dryer, that, got a spot for your luggage, you got hangers if you have coats. Let's see over here, it's the bathroom. They do have shampoo, body wash, and conditioner. Typical thing there. Pedestal sink, you got soap, zero, the kind type thing. There's hand soap there, mirror. Nothing really back there, like a hanger. Yeah, space in there. Full length mirror. Good sized TV. Got dish. There's our bed. Sorry for all the mess. You get 2 regular plugs and a USB. And 2 switches for the brightness. There must be 2. Yeah, there's 2 bulbs in there. Have the chairs, little table, footrest. Let's see. Got a little balcony thing here. Put that up. I think we've stayed in this one before. It's been a while back, but we have. You get some cleaning up. We don't have much of a view. Yeah, if you look straight, you can see the water. But yep, that's our room here. Get back in here. Door's a little heavy. There we go. Lock it up. Okay, got a little table there. Got a work table type thing. Got a plug here, on and off switch. Got 4 USBs, 3 plugs. I got my batteries charging on that. And yeah, that's our room tour. Well, got the microwave. We got a fridge, but no freezer. I brought some water just in case. But that's our room. Hope you enjoy.